All right, here we have the internal ring. This is what the internal bearing or race bearing is going to sit inside the base of this. So go ahead, drop that in. Then we're going to go ahead and place the whole machine right inside there. Just like that. Go ahead and pick up so you guys can see the whole process and what this is. Alright, currently have it extended out as far as it goes. It's at the 400 pound capacity. That's the current setting. It's got a 1,000 pound capacity, but you have almost no extension as far as reaching out to the side of the truck or out the back. But the idea today is we were trying to make sure that we could get this thing to stay still, because currently it's moving all around. All right, let's see if it works. Tighten the nut up. Doesn't go anywhere. Yay! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a cheap ass fix for a tool that saves my back a lot of stress. So here I can give you a quick demonstration as to, I guess, the reach or the stroke of this thing. Now in here somewhere, got the bar. Go ahead and jack it on up. So eventually, in the upcoming videos, I'm going to be rebuilding this entire thing from scratch. I'm going to replace this 3-ton long ram jack with an 8-ton air over hydraulic. That way I can also beef up all of the tubing from this thin 1/8-inch wall to a 3/16. That way I can extend out a little bit further and still feel safe about lifting loads and not having the material buckle on me. But again, now I got it up. You can see here that it swivels out. And as you can see right now, it barely clears, even the full extension, it barely clears the ass end of the truck, the tailgate down. However, out to the side of the truck, you can get quite a bit of space. As a matter of fact, give you an idea, goes out there. I'd say it reaches a good 2.5 feet, somewhere in there. What I'm able to do is then hook a chain onto here, lift my load up, bring it all the way up, swivel it around, place it in the bed of the truck, set her on down. And I'm not trying to lift my 10K generator back here. I'm not trying to lift my positioner. I'm not trying to lift, well, anything. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to lift stuff if you don't have to. And I'm not really tall. I do drive a Ram 2500 long bed quad cab, and I don't have huge lifted tires on there. Just have one size over stock. But I mean, it comes up a little bit over waist high for me, and that's just a little bit too much for me to be lifting stuff up to. I don't want to be trying to put stuff over my head. So again, this quick little video tutorial, whatever you want to call it, was to show you how to replace this simple little locking mechanism. So now that I've got it into the bed of the truck, go ahead and tighten that up. There we go. And it won't go anywhere. All right. Next up, who knows? We'll see. Check you later.